lesson 3, what we want to add further is when the user tap on a task, okay, then the app will shows another screen, and then you are able to tap the back button and go back to the home page. Okay, so following from our previous code, okay, so now what I want is to create this button, the arrow button, so that when the user tap, another screen will show up. Okay, so to do that, what I will do is within the navigation stack, I will add a navigation link. Okay, so within my navigation link, I will this task detail view refers to when the user tap, this task detail view will pop up, okay, with a new screen. Okay, so later we will go and add the file for the task detail view. But for now, what I want to do is to make the navigation link show up in a certain format. So what I want is to show is the same format that we have earlier, to have a title and below it to have the category. Okay, so I'm going to use the label. Okay, and within the label, then I will insert what I had earlier. Okay, so what this does is that within this navigation link, the navigation link is sort of like like a button. So when you tap on the navigation link, okay, which refer to each of these rows, then a task detail view will pop up, okay, in the next screen. Okay, then from there, this label shows the look, the appearance of each row. Okay, so now I will add the task detail view. So this is a Swift view, Swift UI view. So I will click a new, and I select files from template. And again, it's a Swift file, but I want it to be a Swift UI view. Okay, that will give me a template that I can use as the base to do the further modification. So I will call this the task detail view. Okay, so that is the structure. Okay, so in this task detail view, I want a very simple view that shows the title and below it shows the category. Okay, so let's create a constant task, and within the body of the view, I want to have the text, a VStack. Okay, so I add a bit of modification to my VStack. So every row, there will be a spacing of 12. Okay, then I'll put the text of my title. Okay, then I'll add some modifiers. Okay, and below the title, I want to have the category. Okay, and again, I want to modify its appearance using a modifier. Okay, so let me explain what this code does. Okay, so I declare a VStack. So a VStack is structure that will organize all the subviews in the vertical format. And then I will have a text to contain the task title, and I modify the look of the title. And below my title, I will have the category. So I want this category to have the fixed text category followed by this task dot category, which is dependent on whichever items in the array that it is showing. Okay, so this is just the syntax for you to display the value of a variable or property within a string. Okay, then you can see that there is an error message here. The reason is because when you want to create a task detail view, you need to provide the sample data, okay, for a task detail view to be created. Okay, so what I will do is just to remove it from here, and then I will just use the content view to view my task detail view. Okay, so the reason why is because okay, my VStack should be below, right? So instead of okay, so I need to do a bit of rearrangement. Okay, I'll remove this. Okay, so within my label, I will have my VStack. Right, and then I will cut and paste here. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. So the formatting is by default is centralized. So I need to make the alignment to dot leading. Okay, so now it appears fine now. Okay, and you got a detailed task detail view and the back button. Okay. So that's the end of lesson 3.